In this segment, I'm revisiting the Elite Cuisine EDB-302BF double hot plate, an earlier ASIN version of the model many of you have asked about, because sometimes the older listings still represent a dependable, budget-focused option for extra cooking zones, perfect for students, staging kitchens, or occasional overflow during holidays. This classic Elite unit is essentially the same reliable concept: two cast iron burners, simple knob temperature control, and power indicator lights so you always know which plate is live. Straightforward features that make it idiot-proof and great for cooks who want to focus on food, not on firmware. What tends to surprise first-time users is the heft and heat-holding capacity of the cast iron plates. They don't spike and dip the way lightweight coil elements can, so you get steadier heat for searing and pan frying. However, because of that thermal mass, they do take a bit longer to cool, so patience is part of the trade-off. Cleaning is simple: a damp cloth and mild cleaner on the outer housing, and a little elbow grease for any stubborn spills on the plates. And the compact footprint fits easily into small kitchens or as a portable solution for catering prep lines. User reviews for the EDB-302BF series consistently mention value for money, dependable performance, and longevity. A handful of buyers recommend securing the unit on a heat-safe surface and to avoid stacking cookware that's too wide. But those are basic common sense tips. If you're buying your first countertop cooker and want something inexpensive that gets the job done without bells and whistles, and with the durability of cast iron, this Elite Cuisine hot plate model remains a practical, low-risk pick. Don't forget, we share by links in description box.